Welcome to December 8, 2022 special Christmas edition of our tips and tricks. I'll show you how you can gain a huge bonus by using user dimension as global criteria across multiple documents. I have created three dashboards here using the same criteria by customer country, Denmark, Sweden, and United Kingdom. And as you can see here, we call them our primary markets, if you like, but I'm using the same country criteria across all three dashboards here. And now you should actually imagine that maybe we had 100 dashboards using the same country criteria. So if I needed to expand my primary markets to include Italy, of course I could just do it here, but that will only be for this dashboard. I would actually have to go to every single dashboard and do the same thing. Now I only got three dashboards here, but again, just imagine if you had, let's say, 100 dashboards, maybe just 20 where you needed to do this. So that would be a very cumbersome task. Now, of course, there is an easy way to do that. First, however, I'm going to get rid of these filters with the country dimension because they should actually have been done in a different way from the beginning. So once I gotten rid of these, you'll see that I'm going to replace that with a user dimension. And just the last one over here. So no selection, and remove the country filter and save it. Okay, so now we're done. So like I said, if we look into tools here and into user dimensions, I already created one user dimension, which is simply called primary markets here. And if we look into that, do an edit of this one here, you can see it contains just a single member called also primary markets. And here it contains the countries I would like. Let's turn it back to Denmark, Sweden, and United Kingdom as we saw initially. And this user dimension, if you had done, or if I had done this probably from the beginning, I had added that from my user dimensions part over here as something on my criteria bar with primary market selected right from the beginning. You can see it brings up the three countries, Denmark, Sweden, and United Kingdom, as my primary markets as it is now. So once I added this one too, and also to the last one here, I'll have the same three countries as my primary markets on every single dashboard. I need to set it here as well. So yeah, this one has already been set. Well, the huge bonus comes from when you need to change it. For instance, to include Italy, as we just saw before. Now, again, I only got three dashboards, but let's assume you had 100 dashboards now with this primary markets global criteria. Now you just go to user dimension, edit that, edit the member to, for instance, include Italy. And once you've done that, then the next time you reopen your dashboards, I'm not going to do that. I'll just do a refresh, but that will be the same as reopening it. Then you'll see it will update accordingly. So now they all include Italy, as you see it here. So that's actually the huge advantage of using user dimension as a global criteria like this. If you have this kind of criteria that is shared across multiple documents, then it's very easy. Just go here and edit it to change it. Thank you for watching today's tip, and I hope to see you back tomorrow for the next Christmas tip.